Meaning of FaceTime.
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 FaceTime. FaceTime refers to the amount of time spent interacting with someone in person, especially in a social or business setting. It is typically used to measure the level of personal connection and social engagement between individuals. FaceTime can be important in building trust and rapport, as well as establishing and maintaining relationships. In today's digital age, FaceTime can also refer to video chats or virtual meetings that simulate in-person interaction. Overall, FaceTime represents the quality and quantity of human interaction and communication.